In this video, we will learn how to factory reset or hard reset or power wash a Acer Chromebook. If you forgot the password and cannot log in, or if the Chromebook is malfunctioning, then if you reset it, then it would be like a new Chromebook. So let's start it. It's better to give the power connection. I have the full charge, that's why I'm not giving the power connection. So what you will do, press ESC, this one, and power button, these three buttons simultaneously. So this one, that one, and power button. Press and hold, and after 2 or 3 seconds release all of those. Now the display will come back after few seconds. It's working and display is coming back. Now it says Chrome operating system is missing or damaged. Please insert a recovery USB stick or SD card. But we do not need to insert anything, we can solve other ways. So what you will do, press Ctrl Alt and D, Ctrl Alt and D. So press 3 button. Now it says the operating system verification is off, press enter. So press enter now. Now it's working. It's working. Now it says press space to re-enable. So press space. Now it says press enter. So press enter. So operating system verification is off. Your system will reboot and local data will be cleared. So if you have any important data, then before resetting, please transfer it to any other safe place. And this method works for any model of Acer Chromebook. This method also works for other brand of Chromebook like HP or Dell or Samsung or Asus, any other model of Chromebook. So it's coming back, it's working. So now get started. So get started. Then connect to Wi-Fi. So we need to connect to Wi-Fi. So insert the password. Next, it's working. Now accept and continue. Now next. Now you can insert your email address or phone number, then it would be like a new Chromebook. Or we can browse as a guest. We can also browse as a guest. So if we write anything, it's working, and it's working, and this is my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.